Demonstration of ultrasonic slitting machine. Ultrasonic slitting machine has high technical content, greatly reduces labor, has high production efficiency. It has been widely used in modern industrial production due to its high working efficiency. Automatic cutting and slitting make edge-sealed incisions without melting edges, burrs, or loose edges. It doesn't require preheating but works high efficiency, no blackening, no burning, soft incisions, beautiful and smooth. Ultrasonic slitting machine is widely used in the clothing industry, shoe, hat making industry, packing industry, etc. Is an economical machine, works automatically, helps saving labor. One person can operate multiple machines. And the machine adjustment is more flexible, which helps making production more convenient. We could also design and manufacture multiple cutter slitting machine based on the detailed requirement. Welcome to contact us for more details if you are interested.